So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So we have seen that most of our viewers were commenting that to make a video on the Zoho's hiring process. So here you can see this is the video on which people are commenting. So we have uploaded this video on 27th August 2020. That means approximately it's a 6 months old video. But we have seen that most of our viewers are commenting, please make a video on the exam pattern or the hiring process or the syllabus. So here you can see from last 3 days people are commenting. So here it is. So in this video we'll be discussing about the Zoho hiring process or the recruitment process, about its syllabus, and the tips and tricks we'll be discussing on how to crack this off campus at a single attempt. So please watch this video till the end for more details. And let me tell you one thing. So please have some patience. So whenever you are commenting a requirements, and if we are saying yes, we'll be making a video soon, then please wait for at least 12 hours, so that we'll be able to gather some important informations regarding that off campus or regarding that company, and we'll be able to make videos as per your requirements. So minimum of 12 hours to 1 day will be taking in order to upload a video. You have to wait minimum of 12 hours to 24 hours in order to get the correct or exact informations. So if you are facing any difficulties or if you have any doubts, so suppose today you are getting that email that tomorrow you have interview. So at that moment, if it is urgent basis, or if at urgent basis, you can contact us through our email address helpfultechniques@gmail.com. So definitely try to help you as soon as possible. So if it is a urgent basis, you can reach us through our email address. Otherwise, you can comment your doubts or concern at the comment section of each video. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So here you can see Google, Ola, TCS, IBM, Zoho, HCL, and Rapido, HackerEarth, Geeky Ants, etc. are hiring for different job profiles with a very good salary package. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for these companies as well. So I'll be putting the links of these videos in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for these off campus before they get expired. So now let's discuss. So in this video we'll be discussing about Zoho technical support hiring process. So you can follow this video for other job profiles as well. The recruitment process or the hiring process will be same for any job profile for Zoho off campus. The difficulty level may become more if you are attending for the if you are attending for the software development job profile. So for the technical support job profile, the difficulty level of the interview is medium. Out of 5, the difficulty level will be 2.5 to 3, not more than that. If it is a software development job profile you are applying, or it is a software development off campus, the difficulty level will be hard, and it will be 4 out of 5 or 4.5 out of 5. So now let's discuss about the selection process. So there will be 3 to 4 selection process or the interview rounds will be happening. First one is the written test, and then 1 to 2 technical interview rounds, and last one is the HR or the MR interview or the managerial round or the interview. So basically there are 2 options you can attend for this off campus, online or offline. If you are attending offline, you will be visiting to the headquarter of Zoho, which is in Chennai based company, or Coimbatore. So if you are attending offline, then there will be a essay writing round as well. So essay writing round is optional. If you are attending this off campus offline, then there will be a essay writing round. Otherwise, there will be some of the error spotting or the verbal or the English comprehension questions. 10 MCQs or the 15 MCQs will be there. Then quantitative aptitude questions will be there, 10 to 15. Then essay writing, as we discussed earlier, it will be optional. If you are attending the offline interview one, then the essay writing round will be there. Then basic technical MCQs will be there. Very easy questions will be there, because the difficulty level is medium and you are attending or applying for the technical support job profile. There will be asking you the basic MCQ questions, like it is same of the other companies as well. Like some easy questions they will be asking, like some of the networking etc, and the basic operators etc. So after, if you are completing the written test or if you are being shortlisted for the technical round, there will be a technical interview. But before discussing further, let me tell you one thing: Zoho looks for the talent more than the qualification. So then they will be not considering your qualification, whether you belong to the mechanical background or computer science background or EC background, etc. They will not be caring about that. Only thing they consider your skills, or how much you are good at coding, or you can say how good you are at your communication skills, etc. So what you are capable of and how keen you are interested in learning new technologies in is the core part. Or they'll be focusing or giving more preference to the technologies or the candidates those who are more interested to learn new technologies. This is the main part. So the interview questions, they'll be asking about the products of Juho. So basically, Juho company deals with the networking, cloud computing, or the IoT based products, and mostly it depends on the team that you are giving the interview, or under which team you are giving your interview or attending the interview. So basically, these are their products: networking product, cloud computing, or somewhat IoT products they deal with. And basic networking and how things go inside or in the background, things how happen, they will be asking basic networking questions. They will be asking, you can go through any blogs or YouTube videos in order to know about the basics of networking, etc., like TCP, IP, etc., IP address, or LAN, etc. Then where do you rate yourself between 1 to 10 in terms of previous interview preference performances or the technical skills they will be asking. So they never ask for any specific technical skills in their hiring process, or in the technical interview, like C, whether you know C or Java, etc. They'll never be asking, but they will be asking you regarding the basics of networking or cloud. So what do you know about the networking or cloud computing, etc.? They will be asking you the basics, because they are hiring for the technical support job profile. So best idea to crack this off campus is to go through their career portal, or you can go through the Wikipedia as well. About the Zoho, you will be able to know about the what are the different products they are dealing with, like the headquarter is Chennai, etc. They will be asking. And if you go below, external links as a service, content as a service, data services, desktop as a service, these things, they are the products. You can go through these things like cloud database, cloud storage, data center, distributed file system for cloud, etc. These things you can go through by simply click on the link here. If you are clicking on this, you'll it will be taking you to the cloud database, etc. You need to go through all these things. Basics you need to be knowing. Basically, I would suggest you to go through the networking videos, like or the networking blogs or the topic, and the cloud computing. No need to go through in IoT or the deeper knowledge. You need to no need to have deeper knowledge in IoT, but you must be knowing the basics of networking and cloud computing. So like networking, TCP, IP, and the LAN, etc. You need to know all these things. Apart from this, you need to know about the database, etc. So these are the basic things you must be preparing for this off campus. So I hope you get a clear idea about this. The difficulty level is medium. So here we will not be discussing about the questions like aptitude questions, etc. As we all know, basic aptitude questions or the topics you need to cover: time and work, profit and loss, and train, etc., train problem, or the allegation problem, etc. These are the main or the fundamental topics you need to cover, or the permutation, combination, etc. Basic questions they will be asking, and the questions will not be lengthier. It will be very straightforward or short questions you'll be getting. So this is all about the hiring process and the syllabus, you can say. So if you are facing any doubts, or if you have any difficulties you are facing regarding this off campus or regarding the hiring process, you can comment your doubts or the issues in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. And we'll be putting the links of these Wikipedia and about us Zoho. You can also go through. I forgot to tell you. So serious software friendly company. So here you can see, go through all these blogs or their website to know more about the products, or more about the company, about the product, what they are developing, etc. You can go through this video, so that it will be easy to know about the company, and company you are applying for, and more you will be getting to know about the company, their eligibility, or you can say their products, etc. So I'll be putting these links in the description of this video so that you'll be able to know more about this company, about its product. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.